Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to create a welcome channel in Discord. First, open your server, choose the server where you want the welcome channel, go to the server settings on the left. Under text channels, click the plus icon to create a new channel. Name the channel welcome. Click Create Channel. After the channel is created, click your server name and open App Directory. Search for Dinobot. Click on it. Click Add App, then select Visit Site. Select your server. In this case, DelfStack Tutorial. Click Continue. To grant the required permissions, click Authorize. Complete the CAPTCHA. Once on the dashboard, click Modules and use the search bar. Type Welcome. Toggle Welcome On. Click Settings. Under Channels, select the welcome channel from the drop-down. Set message type to message. You can customize message variables here. Leave the defaults if preferred. Click Update. To test, join the server with another account. The welcome message will appear automatically. This triggers when a new member joins. You have created a welcome channel, added a welcome bot, and enabled automatic greeting messages. Thanks for watching. Check out more DelfStack tutorials. See you next time.